Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up an S3 bucket with public access blocking in AWS. Open the AWS Management Console. Log in with your credentials. Navigate to the S3 service from the Services menu. Click on the Create Bucket button. Enter a unique name for your bucket. Select the region where you want to create the bucket. Scroll down to the Object Ownership section. Choose ACLs disabled for bucket ownership. Navigate to the Block Public Access settings for this bucket. Select Block All Public Access. Understand the implications of blocking public access. Scroll down and click on Create Bucket. Once the bucket is created, click on its name in the S3 dashboard. Go to the Permissions tab. Verify that the public access block settings are applied. Click on Bucket Policy. Use this feature to control access with specific policies, if necessary. After setting your policies, click on Save. Return to the Properties tab. Review the settings you have configured. Your S3 bucket is now set up with public access blocking. You can start uploading objects with confidence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.